Nan Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Iluwi Season.
Marco Nanan, ning we're in Pampanga.
Pansinan nyo guys sa tinta mo pong abe kayong gulot ko. So apin po rin ng GDS Realty. So it's a company here kani pong Mabalacat. And may invite kami po kini unique place da. So actually dwala ring place na punta lang tamo. Misibing lang mo naman atin lang cafe and ining meto nga bus restaurant actually.
Yes.
So although aline man talaga exactly new as a concept, pero malagad la po rin ang tiganining restaurant, lalong-lalo na kini Pampanga.
Yeah. And take note, yung bus ini is meto niya karetang icon Ken Clark.
Wow, so dati yung bus na ni metong call
BPO
center kay BPO. Anyway, so importante pakin ni po kaya kayo Kenny is syempre yung karelang pamangan, very unique. Food from the north. Abayan nyo kami pong nga do ngayon, pakin nila pamuret ang beer of the rin pamangan.
So tara, let's go!
O itabin Kabalen so it's a food from Tuguegarao. Ang house na po kanini is pansit batil patong. So batil is the soup, this is the soup. Ayan, so nakang pansit ating soup, ne? Malagad lang mo. And then patong guys is the toppings or the egg na atsuketang babaw na nitang pansit. So ating anong proper way para i-enjoy yun eh. First thing to do is vinegar. Ma'am Dancel, ano po yung kata mo?
So, kakatang sliced onion,
Okay.
pinanteng calamansi, of course, yamila ko, and then we will add the vinegar.
Okay, okay.
Sige. So, after adding the vinegar, just a little soy sauce na kanta kasi malasa ni yung kakatamong pansit.
Alright, okay. First time tayong kay takman ing pansit Tuguegarao, okay? So, ihahalo lang po siya, no ma'am? Next tayo
Siya
pa.
muna itang kakang pato.
So, physical observation, there's your egg. Kibating meat na mo ma'am, nano ini?
Beef, a little of pork, lechon kawali.
Wow!
Pero it's a different way of cooking ng lechon kawali.
So siguro, detang taga Tuguegarao or ding taga kay ila mismo ring maka balo kitang exact procedure na nilin.
So from the noodles to the vinegar sa kinkayang
Okay.
padagdag, gana-gana, ba't yan Tuguegarao?
So, lagyan mo ma'am ing onion.
Oo.
And dinan tayo egg. Ayan. And sabi dahil din ang dawi pang trivia. Punta ka nung maman kang pansit atil patong, dapat may papawas ka. So medyo may papawas na ako din. Anyway, so in pansit na kita minu na tikman, medyo ating yapin kulang ang lasa. Bala mo mga ating pantanan mo. That's why they incorporated or introduced itong vinegar plus itong onion. Itong fresh onion gives additional flavor, super. Nandin bala mo madakaling onion pero feeling ko manyad kayo pa. Feeling ko manyad kayo pa po naman kay Kenny. Anyway, so one more spoon.
Ako manibawas ko, para alala sa ming masama sin kayang pansit.
Wow.
Atin yung soup, sarili na.
So, ing soup na ma'am, I think egg based yan naman
Yes.
po. Okay.
Yan yung binatil na itlog. Ang soup.
Binatil, okay.
Kung wala mo kaya katamo yung scramble men.
Mm.
So, egg drop in English. Yan.
Okay, so as an option ka no, pwede mo naman lagyan mo Kenny, medyo sasaboy mo rin yung pansit. Pero feeling ko, kay katam Kapampangan, bala mo mas click kitang on the side yun eh. Tama na.
Kumbaga, bisa kang takman something new kay Pampanga, mas try ning pansit batil patong. So Kenny, maliban kitang pansit batil patong da, atin lang sa serve na a la carte Kenny. So atin tamong sisig. So yung sisig da is Ilocano base siya kasi tinyang ebon. So maliban kitang sisig, atin lang estofado, atin lang dinakdakan, tsaka itang pork adobo da. Pansinan nyo Kenny, yung adobo da, medyo kakaibayan dito.
So may itong pang pagmaragulda Kenny guys, ising karelang longganisa, which is may nibatya mo naman keng north ne, at ilang mo naman chicken adobo, at ilang mo naman dinuguan. So kaya katamo yung kasama kanini is tidtad. Pero pansinan yung tidtad da guys. Texture ni guys bala mo creamy na soupy. Kaya ba't iniing karelang menudo? Pansinan nyo guys, kaya katamo kayong Kapampangan, yung menudo da rin cuts tamo are like this. Na? Pero karela is ground pork ya with raisins, pasas, sa tinyang balamang fresh kaiken, onions, mga yan. Next da is ining karelang igado. So I'm sure karetang Tagalog karinderya medyo may katakman ako mga nini. Bala mo ini naman yung kakatamong menudo pero karelang version alayang tomato sauce. That's it. Anyway, so again guys, best part is always taste testing eh. Abayan nyo kami po, tara.
Papaitan, hindi kompleto pag wala.
Another dish clean, kapita ka sa dang papaitan.
Oh wow.
Naman yan.
Wow.
Lalo na pag mapali ako.
Mingat na lang mo rin ng ating arthritis kaya. May surprise kami na din kasi as low as 70 pesos, you have a complete meal.
Yes.
Nasi, ating yung ulam. So siguro final take before we really enjoy everything. Yung pamanda kayo ni guys, it's really close to, siyempre yung kultura na ng Ilocano. Para ka na ako na simply, halitang masyadong magarbo ka lupa kaya katamo Kapampangan. So the tastes are really basic. Sweet, sour, salty, alang masyadong arty-arty. Pero grabe po tamangan ka kayo ni, bala mo itang aspakan at siyan keng nasi. Kasi man-order kang siguro extra rice, I think. So, aban nyo kami pa, kaya rin kayo ni munta ta naman kitang karelang kape, bakan ta, minum ta naman kape ang po milk tea. So right after our sweaty experience kita, sweaty in the sense na pipawas kami po kayong pamangan, kayong soup at saka itang pansit
The
naman.
best.
We go to their cafe, it's called Cafe Dasha. Kaya ni po mag-serve lang coffee,
Milk
muffins,
tea.
milk teas,
Yes.
which is very suitable po tang kayari mong mengan malasa.
Malasa. Kita tayo naman kay kumbaga dessert side.
Dessert
Kening
side.
cafe daw siya. So
tara.
tara. Punta na tayo.
Lakad tamo guys. Emon pong kay. From the bus itself, it's like 20 steps and then we arrive here. Tara. Thank you, ma'am.
Okinawa with cream puff.
Okinawa with cream puff. So, sabi mi pinan din right after mengan kayo kitang Mang George Bus Diner at yung tamo kayo ng Cafe Dasha. And what really inspired us, at yun lang makanining gagawan kayo is one of the way they inspire people is through these cards. As simple as that, bala mo, right after you get refreshed by their milk teas or itang karelang milkshakes, mga yan na.
You will also refresh through their inspirational
Karetang
quotes.
quotes da. So they serve on our table na ating tamong milk
Milk
teas,
teas,
ating tamong
cupcakes,
ang pang Yakult drinks, Yakult-based drinks.
and also tinama mo rin cookies, Kenny.
So less than 100 pesos, you get to enjoy a refreshing drink.
Yes.
Kayong karela naman
Muffins.
muffins and retang brownies starting at 35 pesos up until 60
60
pesos.
pesos.
So sa company na in lease an office or probably area for a bank.
Yes. Katabi floor natin ang mini function hall.
Function area.
Actually, itang buong floor tayo sa function hall na pwede kang mag-celebrate birthday,
Yes,
or
any
any
occasions,
event.
mga yan. So, retong taga Mabalacat na Manitong Function Hall, actually, available yan mo naman po, Kenny. No power interruptions, guys. Sa tingin pa, Kenny, overlook na yung
Clark.
Clark Air Base, itang SC-Tex and Rex, mga yan. So, ito, we're gonna enjoy these. So, this is their best seller, guys. Hining lang Okinawa Cream Puff. Less than 100 pesos for this size of cup. It's 99 pesos. Wow.
Ako naman tangkay. Strawberry, Yakult base. With popping boba pala.
Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Tingkarela naman cupcakes, guys. There's one thing na got me interested is this dulce de leche. There you go. Dulce de leche.
Ako naman, mas kaya ko rin yung kaya cookies.
Cookies, okay.
So, ito lang two types of cookies. So, itang heart-shaped da, tapos itang oatmeal. And itang circle-shaped da, is itang chocolate chips.
So we would like to thank Cafe Dasha for the sweet treats. Magpasalamat kami mo naman kay Mang George Diner for that amazing experience kay Karelang Pansit na. And of course, in GDS Realty for inviting us. Located lang po kayo ng GDS Building, MacArthur Highway, San Francisco.
Mabalacat, Pampanga.
Mabalacat, Pampanga.
They were open for Cafe Dasha. It's Monday to Saturday, 10 to 8 p.m. And for George Diners naman is Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Try something different. Try something you've
Try
never...
something
Yeah.
new kitang taste buds.
Wow,
you.
sabi ko na din, add may kitang bucket list din eh. Kasi you don't go to Tuguegarao every day, but you can eat their food, Kenny. So, ito, salamat po kayong Pamanal Bay. We're gonna enjoy this until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching.